Oh, what is going on, guys? And welcome back to the Girls Outdoors channel. My name is Ty, as always, and today we are going to be doing our second scouting trip of the year. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're just basically hunting without the bow. As you see, we're all in camo, ready to walk out. We're got to go to our stand. Yeah, let's do it. I'll see you in the tree stand. It is dark. We are up in the tree. You can't see anything though, so yeah, we're up in the tree stand. Just listen. Alright, as you can see by the sky, it is starting to get light out. Obviously, you can't really see the ground on camera. I can, but for some reason the light doesn't pick up the same. But as you can see, that's about how light it is right there. But, yeah, flip you around. Hello. Alright guys, as you can see, it is getting lighter. So we are almost at full light here, probably like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. But yeah, so you can see the ground now. Alright, I got some of this wind detector spray, so we're gonna try this out. Alright, according to this, there's practically no wind. But we do have a slight breeze going from behind me to this direction. But barely, there's just basically no wind. Alright, as you can see, it is fully light out. Yeah, we're chilling. Nothing's coming out. It's been pretty dead. But it's granted, it's only like 7:20, so it's only light like this for about 15 minutes. We'll see. Also, I gotta look like way out there to see if you can see anything moving along. Yeah. Now we wait. Alright, small update. The wind is shifted and it's coming this way now, so from out there back towards me. Alright, it's 8 o'clock. The woods are deader than dead, and there is nothing going on. So, yeah, that's a bit sad. There were deer there. There was 3 bucks, and like a group of 3 bucks here at 5:30 this morning. But that was before we were even having here. Obviously, it was before I was even at bed. But yeah, this kind of sucks. Dang, it's really muggy today. Oh, sorry. It's very muggy today. Like I'm sweating. Tidal wave right now. Alright. Bingo, baby. Right there, we got one right there. Boom. First deer sighting in the stand. See, he's right there in the middle. Right above that middle, like in between those 2 branches. See that brown in the middle? That is indeed a deer. Let's freaking go. Trying to see if he'll come out. He's sort of eating right now. saw there's another deer walking down the fence. I don't see it, but oh, there, right there, right there. Got him right coming down right. There he is, right there. Deer number 2, right in the middle. See him right where in the middle of my camera. You can see its butt. Whoa, look at that, right there, right there, right there. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera. Then I gotta stop talking, but they are coming this way. Trying to pick it back up on camera. Right there, look at that. Boom, there's the other one right there. Oh, jeez. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and stop moving. starting to ease off. I'm gonna let these guys sort of make their way out of here, and then we'll get down. Provided no other ones try and sneak up on me. Alright guys, we are back down from the stream. That was a very good sit. 3 deer, probably 10 turkeys. So that was great. The turkeys, kind of like I was talking about up there, just spooked those deer. They kind of just ran in there with... The deer looked like they were trying, but those deer definitely spooked me. That doe wasn't going to come in anyway. So, but anyway, good sit. What I did learn is I can stay still enough where those deer aren't going to spook, because they never spook because of me. They only spooked when a turkey flew out of the bushes and scared the hell out of them. So, anyway, takeaways from that is that stand probably needs to be moved up another level. Thought I saw deer down the road, but no. That stand needs to be moved up another rung. I have another rung. Hopefully that'll do the trick. We'll put another rung on it this week and move it up a bit more out of the sight line. But yeah, besides that, good sit. Lasted till 9 a.m. 3 deer, 10 turkeys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Signing off for now. We have 6 days till the archery opener. So get ready, boys. It's going to be a good season this year. Peace out.